Travel enthusiasts, listen up. If you're wondering which country has the best travel destinations, look no further than Italy. With its stunning landmarks like the Colosseum, the Leaning Tower of Pisa, and the Amalfi Coast, Italy offers a rich history, picturesque landscapes, and delectable cuisine. But that's not all. Japan is a must-visit destination for its unique blend of traditional and modern culture, vibrant cities, and breathtaking natural scenery. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene temples of Kyoto, Japan has something for every type of traveler. And let's not forget about the diverse and captivating country of India, with its colorful festivals, ancient architecture, and spiritual landmarks such as the Taj Mahal and the Ganges River. India promises an unforgettable and enlightening travel experience. You're probably thinking, but what about France, Australia, or the United States? While all of these countries have their own incredible travel destinations, Italy, Japan, and India stand out for their rich cultural heritage, natural beauty, and immersive experiences. So, grab your passport, pack your bags, and get ready for an adventure of a lifetime. These countries are waiting to be explored, and the world is eager to be discovered. The question is, which one will you visit first?